Dear ladies and gentlemen, as this is one of the main topics, one of the main convictions and parallel advancing research results of global Daoist thought, I today want to lecture about the relationship between phonetics and semantics, sound and meaning, significant and significant. This conceptual differentiation was made for the first time in the entire history of thought, of course, by Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, as well as Hegel, Kant, and at many points in Chinese philosophy. For everybody who wants to gain interesting knowledge about the phenomena of language, the distinction of phone and meaning is completely avoidable, as it is on a very basic level self-contradictory. What in modern expression would be called dialectically wrong. The occurrence of dialectical philosophy, on the contrary, is, as Harvard researchers found out recently, indirectly proportional to the amount of homonymic expressions in the, however, language being used for expression of that philosophy. This being the reason for England's backwardness in metaphysics. Of course, the meaning of one dialect can be transposed into another one, or even another language. But sound knowledge will always have to fight against the increasing dominance of superficial puns, like being used in the extremely deplorable modern advertisement. On the other hand, meaning should not be reduced to self-recurrence or tautologies, like it does Wittgenstein, who enjoys great popularity in England, for instance. In between both extremes, the gifted philosopher is caught looking for the attacking point of power that will shoot him to the ground. Thank you for listening.